Hey YouTube, Drew here from Pellicars. Bit of a miserable job. Of course, I only tend to report on the ones that are miserable, but this is a 2007 Honda Odyssey. It's an alternator. There's a really good couple of videos on the internet about this that are a bit more in depth, but I just want to show you guys my take on it and what helped me quite a bit. Now, first of all, that's the steering reservoir. It's flipped underneath the air conditioning hose and out of the way. That's the bracket for the reservoir. Here's one of the things I did a bit different. They show you taking out the windshield washer tank. I left my hoses connected so I didn't have to drain it. And I pulled it down till, there's no tension on those hoses there, but till they're anymore and there would be tension kind of thing. The big difference that I did, I've watched it with my own two eyes. Somebody else do it without taking the belt tensioner assembly off, but being that is 2 bolts, that has made this quite a bit easier. And of course it's a Sunday and I have no other choice but to go with a aftermarket alternator. Whatever, the car's pushing 200k, so I'm sure it'll be fine. God bless the old one. It waited to die until the day after a pretty substantial road trip, so always gotta feel pretty blessed for that instead of it happening on the road trip with 3 kids. Anyway, once all that stuff's out of your way, this alternator, I can't really show you with one hand, but it pops down super easy behind this air conditioning line here, which I did loose. You obviously don't want to put pressure on this, right? Because it's connected there. So it's a solid line. There's no rubber on that side of it, but just enough to give you about that extra ½ an inch. But yeah, so the gist of it is take off your balancer, take off the bracketry for the steering reservoir, and remove the washer tank, but not all the way. And this is really not that bad of a job if your new alternator fits correctly, which is a whole nother topic. Just one more little tip for you guys. When you get to this part, that's super obnoxious. That the main bolt that holds the alternator in line with everything, there's a bit of pressure to get that in there, and gentle taps with pry bars and brass hammers, and then prying against the the front, that body colored piece right there. It's only so much. So a little trick I have, I'll take a center punch or maybe something with a more gradual point on it. I'll get it in there till it's through one and starting to go into the other, and gently tap with a hammer, and that should get that tight enough where you could then put something a little bit bigger diameter in there and just work it until your bolt fits in. And if you have to sharpen the end of your bolt, just make sure that you have a nut the same size as the one on the back of that, and obviously the same size as the threads on the main bolt here, so you could test that that it works just fine. But you put a little bit of pitch on the end of that, and it'll also help, because this is not fun at all. Definitely not a fun design, but this should help you guys. A little bit of stick-to-itiveness, and this job will be done soon. So hopefully this helps. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.